Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future. Future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with. Make him forget somehow. He's fine. Got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight?